Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rear windshield wiper on a Hyundai Palisade. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Palisade is parked safely with the ignition off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into its upright position. This provides clear access to the old blade for removal. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with a gentle pull. Remember to be careful and avoid letting the metal arm snap back against the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Make sure it rests properly against the glass. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade using the washer fluid. Observe its performance to ensure it clears the window effectively and operates smoothly without any streaks or unusual noises. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.